Title: Aprilia RSV4 in yellow, Italian thunder in a bold new hue. The Aprilia RSV4 is a name that resonates deeply with motorcycle enthusiasts across the globe. It's more than just a superbike, it's a masterpiece of Italian engineering and performance. Born on the racetrack and refined for the street, the RSV4 has carved out a legendary status over the years with its aggressive design, powerful V4 engine, and top-tier handling. But in 2025, Aprilia added a splash of visual drama that's got the biking world buzzing, a stunning yellow color option that redefines the bike's presence without touching its core DNA. Let's take a deep dive into this bold new look and remind ourselves why the RSV4 continues to lead the superbike charge. A fresh look, the yellow stunner. The moment you lay eyes on the yellow RSV4, one thing is clear: it demands attention. This isn't a subtle metallic accent or a muted pastel. This is loud, proud, and unmistakably Italian flair. Aprilia calls it ultra gold, but in the right lighting, it blazes like liquid sunshine. Traditionally, superbikes opt for aggressive reds, blacks, or stealthy grays. But this yellow gives the RSV4 a whole new personality: sporty, stylish, and just a bit rebellious. It perfectly complements the bike's sharp lines, aerodynamic winglets, and muscular stance. It's not just about being different, it's about making a statement. This is a superbike that turns heads before you've even thumbed the starter. Iconic V4 power. Of course, beneath that eye-catching yellow paint lies the same beast that riders know and love. The RSV4 is powered by Aprilia's iconic 1099cc V4 engine, producing a massive 217 horsepower. The sound of this engine alone is enough to send chills down your spine: deep, throaty, and aggressive. It's not just about raw power, though. The delivery is smooth, refined, and incredibly responsive. Whether you're carving mountain roads or pushing lap times on the track, the RSV4 offers a ride that's both thrilling and precise. And for fans of motorsport, it's worth noting that this engine architecture is derived from Aprilia's racing heritage. This isn't just a fast bike, it's a race bike in road-legal form. Track-ready handling. The RSV4's chassis and suspension are some of the best in the business. The bike features a lightweight aluminum frame that's been refined for stiffness and agility. Paired with Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension, the RSV4 adapts to your riding style in real time. Braking is handled by Brembo-style McCalipers, offering track-level stopping power with excellent feel and control. Combine that with top-tier electronics, and you have a machine that inspires total confidence, on the road or on the circuit. And those carbon fiber winglets integrated into the fairing, they aren't just for show. Inspired by Aprilia's MotoGP efforts, they provide aerodynamic stability at high speeds, keeping the front end planted and the ride composed, even under hard acceleration. Technology that thinks for you. The RSV4's electronics suite is one of the most advanced in the superbike segment. Aprilia's APRC system, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, includes traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cornering abs, engine braking adjustment, cruise control, 6 customizable riding modes. You also get a sharp 5-inch TFT display and smartphone connectivity via the Aprilia Mia system, allowing riders to access GPS, music, and ride stats right from the dash. All of this tech is seamlessly integrated. It doesn't get in the way of your ride, it enhances it, adapting to your style whether you're riding hard or just cruising. Rider-focused ergonomics. Aprilia has paid special attention to ergonomics in the latest RSV4. The tank has been reshaped for better grip, and the seat is more comfortable for long rides without losing that aggressive, track-ready posture. Despite being a race bike at heart, the RSV4 isn't punishing. It's surprisingly accommodating, especially for a leader-class superbike. And when you're parked at a cafe or pulling into the paddock, that yellow paint ensures all eyes are on you. Final thoughts. A new iconic look. So, what does the yellow color really add to the RSV4 experience? In one word: personality. While the performance, handling, and technology remain untouched and world-class, this new color brings a sense of individuality. It breaks away from the norm. It's not just fast, it looks fast, feels fresh, and says something about the rider before the engine even starts. If you're in the market for a superbike that combines Italian performance, MotoGP tech, and head-turning design, the Aprilia RSV4 in yellow should be high on your list. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement on two wheels. Would you like me to format this as a YouTube script with timestamps or spoken style delivery?